Hi, Saul from cheapalarmparts.com.au. Today I'm going to show you how to install a WE800EV2 kit, which is the remote control kit for the Bosch Solution 2000 alarm panel. You will need the Bosch 2000 alarm panel, the accessory kit that came with the panel, and of course your WE800EV2 kit. So let's open the kit. Inside you will find two remote controls, the main PCB, an antenna, and a little rubber grommet with a screw that you probably won't use. The first thing you need to check is that there's a hole in the top of your metalwork for the antenna. Some of the metalwork comes with the hole pre-punched, and in some cases you will need to punch out the hole. Our metalwork has the hole pre-punched, so it makes the installation a little bit easier. Next thing we have to do is install the little rubber grommet into the hole. This can be a bit tricky, but the antenna won't work if you don't have the grommet installed. Now let's install the PCB. It sits next to the main control panel just like this. And it's held in place with one of the metal screws that came with the accessory kit that you received with the Solution 2000 alarm panel. So screw that board in and tighten the screw. Once the board is in place, we need to fit the antenna. So slide the antenna through the rubber grommet and into the antenna terminal, which should line up inside the panel, and tighten that terminal. It's important not to bend or shorten the antenna, as this can drastically affect the range of the remote controls. The last thing we need to do is just plug the receiver board into the main alarm panel with the little jumper cable. And that's it for the physical installation of the board. Have a look at our other videos on how to program the board and the remotes into the alarm system. If you've enjoyed this video, leave your comments below. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Also, you can catch us on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget to visit our site www.cheapalarmparts.com.au. See you next time.